Students, a warm welcome in my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss Gynae and OBG basic competitive points related to breast. The first point, nipple and areola, they containing small sebaceous gland. These are known as Montgomery gland. What these glands they are doing? They are secreting a protective oily substance which is lubricating the nipple during lactation. Lactation means when a mother is giving breastfeed to the child. Second point is pain in nipple is called thalalgia. Wherever you will find a word algia, that means pain, thala means breast. So pain in breast, thalalgia. Beginning of breast development or breast bud is called thalarche. Thala means breast, arche means beginning. This is the first sign of puberty. Mature breast contain 20% glandular tissue and 80% fat and connective tissue. Number of lobe on each breast 12 to 20 lobes and each lobe contain 10 to 100 lobules. Excretory duct in each lobe of breast is known as lactiferous duct जो milk का secretion करेगी. The cells that are helpful in production of milk, these are known as alveolar or acinar cell. Ligament that provides support to breast is Cooper ligament. Alveoli of breast and duct, these are surrounded by myoepithelial cells. Myoepithelial cells, it contains smooth muscles. These are found in the glandular tissue. Contraction in myoepithelial cells of breast lead to ejection of milk. Milk ejecting hormone or let down reflex hormone is known as oxytocin. Milk secreting hormone or milk promoting hormone is prolactin. So these are the two important questions in every exam they are asked. Prolactin is secreted from anterior pituitary. Next important question. And oxytocin is secreted from posterior pituitary. Mammary gland present in human is known as breast. Breast, these are the large modified sebaceous gland with lactation following childbirth. Sebaceous gland का मतलब है they will secrete the secretion. So what secretions they are secreting? They are secreting the milk after childbirth. Breasts are located at 2nd to 6th rib in the mid-clavicular line. Breast nipple are surrounded by a pigmented area known as areola. जो black color का darkened area है, that is areola. The erectile protuberance at the tip of each breast from which lactiferous duct discharge the milk is known as nipple. Lactation is secretion of milk from the mammary gland and giving feed to the young ones. That is, the process of nursing to the child is known as lactation. Lactorrhea is continued discharge of the milk from the breast between the interval of nursing or incontinence of milk when there is uncontrolled production of the milk or secretion of the milk, that is lactorrhea. That means it is not controlled or it is continuous discharge, that is lactorrhea. Artery that supply blood to the breast is internal thoracic artery and lateral thoracic artery. Nerves that supply to breast are supraclavicular and intercostal nerves. Vein that supply breast, internal thoracic vein and axillary vein. Precursor of breast, these are the two layers, mesoderm and ectoderm. From the mesoderm, blood vessels and the connective tissue, they are formed of breast, and the cellular elements, they are formed by the ectoderm. Presence of more than two nipples is known as polythelia. Poly means more than two, thalia means nipple or breast. Presence of more than two complex mammary glands, these are known as polymestia. So these are the important points related to breast. Thanks for watching. Do like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel for more video. Thank you.